What I enjoyed the most about this walk was how Delhi truly emerges as a palimpsest. You know, the city which doesn't decay, doesn't die, but just adds another layer and kind of brings back the dead. And this walk, don't you think, kind of spoke of it in so many ways?
So the one thing that I felt was, how we think of buildings as just structures, but they are not. They are living organisms in many ways because they carry with them so many stories and so many episodes, the coming and going, of characters. So in itself, like these buildings also play, perform in their own way through these characters which have historically occupied these spaces. So for me, that was the interesting part from the walk, was just this layering of history that we got to hear and see.
Also, you know how it's only with Nikki that we can come into these places. I mean, we can also, but with her, she allows us these stories of the underbelly, the Tawayufs and the Randis, and I find that so exciting, especially when you can also, take a detour and enter a ruin, which is just behind us. हम अंदर गए मोती के और देखा all the stories that she tells. So these are not just historical walks. I think she brings in her personal anecdotes, and for me that's a very
I think
space.
the personal connect was also quite
filmy ladki hai na. So
quite important point, and I think that's an aspect which we don't really think so much about, these temporary cinemas that we got to learn about today. At least that was something that I kind of knew, but wasn't really a part of my imagination when I imagined cinema in Delhi, And it is interesting to know how it came about and how it even served certain functions beyond the obvious, purpose of entertainment. And I think your personal connect in that was something that was also very interesting, and I'm glad it led you to this. So
truly the palimpsest is not just the buildings and the places, but also how she layers it, how the talk and layers history and cinema, arts, and the arts and performance and linguistics and so much more. That's fabulous for me.